play and the name Good Heavens. The story of the play is about a strange thing coming towards the earth and destroy all the life on the earth. So let's start the setup, and I am the story. My crew members, please come. Set up the scene, please. They are very intelligent and they do what I say, and they are very intelligent, and but sometimes they became what can I say about this? Hey you, what's this?
It's a flower.
But what's the need of the flowers on with this being?
No, it's not for beach, it's for you.
Oh, thank you. I tell you, they are very intelligent. They can't do anything which hurt me very. Hey you, what are you bringing?
It is a cashew.
I see, but what is need?
It is not play, it is look like ad, ma'am.
Go, bring it away. Get away. You fool. Are you gonna stupid? Sometimes they became crazy, but all the time, I have a cousin, Miss Advertisement. You might see her. She is very fashionable, and she is always uses a lot of makeup, and always wants a brand new furniture. And the best thing she do is, to drink tea and say, "Wah huzur, gol gumbaz kahiye." She is very silly, and thousands years younger than me. What can I say about that? Okay, don't waste time. Let's start the story. I think someone is coming. It's better to get away.
My mother always says that early morning jogging is very good for our health. She wakes me up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She says, go to the beach and jog. My mother is very intelligent. She belongs to C.V. Raman family. Yeah, C.V. Raman family. At least she knows them. At least she knows where are they stayed. Once she saw their maid servant bank right. It is ordinary right. My mother is very observant. My mother says you are overweight. Why should not try yoga? It is so easy. It is also part of our ancient culture. She says you just stand like this. Put your head up. You want to try it? Yes, try. Put your head up. More back. Backward. No, not so much. Bring your head front. Good heavens. Oh, he has got stuck. He can't move. Oh, someone help me. Help, police. No, it is murder. No, not murder. Landslide, fire truck. No, that's not right also. Mummy.
Oh no, he's got stuck. He can't move. He can't be standing like this, but actually in the book he can. Some book made their heroes and heroines with a dream of champ. I have an idea. My crew members, please come on the stage. Put him on the seat, on that bench. Slowly in the right posture. That's correct. I think it will be better for him. Someone is coming. Entering two ladies. I'm a tender coconut seller, an emotional man. I'm always trying SIV from a student. I'm a tender coconut vendor. My heart is often sore. I look up on the outside, but I'm sensitive at the core. I am a tender coconut seller. Good morning, sir. A very good morning. You are very early, sir, but this is right time to have a tender coconut, sir. Sir, this is good for your eyes, good for your mind, so good for your body. So, how many, sir? 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 Sir, something in the sky, sir. Sir, it's really big thing. I can see it. Good paradise, sir. I'm simple man, but I think it's a cosmic coconut. It will break our heads. I think it's end of the world. I am a tender
You better be sure what you are doing. You can't afford to make the second mistake another time. As no one is not yet accommodating as I am. Accommodation? You want accommodation? Well, I know very good reason. He's my good friend. He can fix it up. How much you can afford? What are you talking about? I'm talking about a place to stay. What are you talking about? I'm talking about my sub-editor. Sub-editor wants accommodation? Forgive, I'm thirsty. Let's go and take some coconut. Could you please give us 2 coconuts? Excuse me, what happened? Why crying? Yes, tell. I'm a tender socialist talent. I don't have long to live. Look, there in the sky. You are wanting accommodation? What he is looking up, petrified? Good evening. I can see something. What are you seeing? I'm not got glasses, so I can't see. Look, it's a meteor. It is coming to way to us. It will destroy all things on earth. Oh God, there's a spook. I better rush and call my office. No, better not. Somebody else will snatch my story. I have to stay here and take notes. Paper, I want the paper and pen. You want the pencil? Anything, thanks. Oh, paper, I want the paper. Here I'm going to be world famous, but I can't find a single paper. Paper, can anybody give me a paper? Ma'am? Thanks, you saved my life. I have to better start now. What are you writing? So that I can't see. Oh, listen, all 3 of you. If you see anyone, especially from the news, don't tell them anyone because it's a big secret, okay? Oh, the newspaper news. It is a good newspaper. There are many columns about accommodation. It's nothing. I'm a tender coconut seller. A very frightened man. The world is coming to end with a huge coconut man.
It's time to freeze all my actors. So actors, please statue. I have developed a very funny situations with a lot of misunderstanding. With the funny characters. Can I? I think you are ready for the story. Now entering a palmist.
Oh, by the power of divine care, what do I see before me?
A tender coconut seller who doesn't have long to live. See what?
Signs and portents, signs and portents. I had strange dreams in the darkness. Oh, by the power of all God, I see.
See what?
No, I can't tell it. Signs and portents, signs and portents.
Tell no. I've not got glasses on. I'm even trying to say. Tell please.
My heart is heavy within me, daughter, but I shall tell you what the Vidhata has written for you in the palm of your hand. Come, sit here. But you have, I understand, your money purse.
Money? Yes.
Today I shall be charging 4 times because it is the end of the creation of this accursed planet, of rich humankind, of history, of geography, of philosophy. The end. And another small detail, I always take Dakshina beforehand.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, by the strength of the bull, let us all ascend.
These palmists are also storytellers, but in a different way. Just listen what they say.
Oh, my daughter, the times are tragic, and yet your heart is light within you. Soon, with the grace of the archer, you get what you desire.
A house in Indranagar?
A analyzing the final hours.
Sir, I work for Child. It is a very beautiful newspaper and so much better than the news. Sir, it has very biggest political layers, a political interview by first class politicians and so much. Sir, could you please grant me an interview, sir?
Daughter, I have no need of publicity. My fate goes before me. But since you ask, you want my face full front or will you take my profile? My left profile is considered very distinguished.
Sir, the photographer on his way, but I would like to take your interview first, sir.
Certainly. You would like to know my early background. I was graduated at a youthful age. I was barely 7 when my father found unmistakable marks on my genius forehead.
Let me see.
Unfortunately, due to the imprudent ways, my grandfather, the family,
Sir, could you please stick today's event? If you just could answer my some question, that what did you see? Sky, sir?
I saw great danger, daughter. I saw destruction, chaos, mountains crashing, oceans rising, fire flooding, rain burning.
Just like a film, like Jurassic Park? No?
But I knew it all, daughter. 30 years ago, today would be the end of the world.
You knew it 30 years before?
He knew it 30 years before and still his heart is not broken? Strange.
Why didn't you publish it, sir?
With a lot of sound coming off. Hey, who's coming? Good heavens, what are you doing here, cousin? And who are these people?
Oh, cousin, it's so nice to meet you in a sky so blue.
Cut out this actor, okay? This is my place and all these are my characters.
Then it's not stylish to shout, but it's quite fashionable to pout.
Please tell me what are you doing here, okay? Please.
Are you ready? Are you through? We have lots of work. It's the end of the boat, but that my umbrella matches this mat.
Listen, you can't do this to me, okay? This is my place and these are part of my drama. 20% festival discount only from Sadai. Hey, what are you doing here? Listen, you can't do this to me.
Can we have the ketchup, please? And cousin, we could split the fees.
Look, I'm not here for money, okay? Look here. I'm the part of human history, the human intelligence, the human mankind, okay? And then, who are you?
It's cross. It is in the same look cross, but you finally have breakfast. It's different. Come on, crew members, let's go from that.
Hey, cousin, where are you going? Cousin, entering a boy.
What's happening? It's the end of the world. You can see it. Better with these spectacles. 10 rupees for black, 10 rupees for color. Spectacles. What's happening?
I'm a tender coconut seller, a very sentimental man. I don't have long to live. Hey, don't cry. It is not good for your eyes. Boy, you have hanky?
No.
Today I've been so forgetful. My glasses, my hanky.
What's happening? Science and Putin.
It's a big secret. Today is the last day of the world and don't tell it anyone.
But how do you know?
You see that man on the bench? That man? Let's go and stand near him and look at the sky. Then will you understand all the things. But remember, it's a secret.
But I can't do something. There is nothing there.
That boy and his big mouth, while he plays say that. Cousin, you need to present
बार बार ये लड़का यहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
all that. You know what
सबको
was my
खींच लिया।
business other than literature? Is that thing called truth? Stop looking, you fool! Who's interested? Hurry up, my makeup is coming up.
Literature? Truth? Sometimes my cousins come with memorable remarks, but most of the time she and I deal with illusions and she don't know what have to do.
Hey you!
Are you calling me?
Yes, I am. You are the story, aren't you?
Yes?
How are you going to end?
Well, that depends on all of you how you want me to end. Entering mother with his first jogger.
Where is he? What a fuss! First thing in the morning and on a Tuesday. Fool! People, don't you have a work to do? Go away, all of you. I said. A parmesan, a coconut salad, and look at the two fine ladies who should be in the kitchen cooking breakfast. Hey madam, I'm the reporter for Chimes. Rubbish! Reporter, repeater! You have to eat, isn't it? Go away! I said! You have to go away, it's better.
See, mummy, here he is. Look at his head.
What nonsense is this? Is this girl looking like Suryamukhി? Hey you! Get up and put your head back in the proper place! And who are you? Ma'am, she's the story and you are just a character. How dare you say that? How can I be just a character? How can I be anything?
Ma'am, cool down. It's true. You are only just my character and you can never be anything, okay? But there is a good news for you. You're the heroine of the story.
Then what about me? You are forgetting me, no? I'm the heroine. I don't want as the heroine. I'm a tender coconut salad, a very heroic man.
You started with me.
Cousin, I'm a sister. I'm so fashionable also. Oh no, all got mad. What's going to happen?
Science and protein, science and protein.